Stop fraud before it starts. With AscendTMS and Highway, you get carrier onboarding and monitoring that's fast, accurate, and built for growth. Whether you're brand new or already rolling with Highway. Already using Highway? Perfect. Let's plug it into AscendTMS so you can get to carrier monitoring without tab hopping. From the settings, go to the setup page here. Click I already have a Highway Connect account. That pings Highway to flag your account for AscendTMS. They send an API key to AscendTMS support. We drop it in, and after a short time, your status will flip from pending to active. Now you can choose what to monitor. Pick how Highway watches your carriers. Keep the carriers you already have in Highway, send all your Ascend carriers to Highway, or handpick a few to start. Now tell Highway how strict to be. Reach your CSM or call 906 Highway. When they have set your business rules, click I've completed this step or do not need it. Click map my truck and commodity types to Highway. You'll land on the edit companies list / truck types. Match yours to Highways. Do the same for commodities, then save and return. For turning on alerts, you can hit configure my notifications / alerts. You can add the alert, turn the alert on, pick the Highway options, send email, text, or send messages. Save and then back out. Automated workflow engine will also be included. Click configure my AWE rules. Pick the Highway triggers you want so status changes updates your workflow automatically. And then just add your users. Open your Highway dashboard, add teammates. That's the setup, nice and clean. From the view carriers list, you'll be able to click the pre-assess / import carriers from Highway. Type in an MC or a DOT number, then click the pre-assess carrier. You'll see either a pass or a fail against your Highway rules, and you can import them if they're new. Already have the carrier in Ascend? In the profile, go to the carrier verification and then click on Highway. Invite them to register if needed and watch statuses like pending, needs to onboard, onboarded, or do not dispatch. Now, if you're ready to track, click start monitoring and you can stop at any time. Need a fresh COI or documents? Click update. The files will land in the view attached documents. Extra data, insurance, equipment, lane certification all live under the additional carrier info. Want a bird's eye view of who's monitored? In carrier list, hit customize columns, check the connected via Highway option, and then click save. If you're already using Highway today, you're now fully connected in AscendTMS. Less risk, fewer clicks, better sleep. New to AscendTMS? Start free at thefreetms.com and add Highway in one click.